What's good people? This is Auntie Rick with a Ricky Quickie. Listen, what I want you to do next is put reminders for your domain and hosting renewals everywhere. Put them in your phone, put them in your calendar. Set reminders 90 days, 60 days, 30 days, 15 days, 10 days, 5 days, 3 days before it is due. Here's what happens. When you lose your domain or your hosting because you didn't renew, it's gone after a certain amount of days, and depending on who the provider is, right? But some of them give you a little bit of a grace period to pay, but once you don't pay, you get evicted, okay? Especially when it comes to domains, make sure that you renew on time. Make sure that you renew on time. Make sure that you renew on time, okay? Once the domain is gone, it's gone. There's a little bit of a calculation you can do, but you have to be faster than the domain squatters who come through and will scoop up your domain and then put it on sale for $2,500. We had this conversation before about securing the name as you're securing the bag, like when you go to make registrations for trademarks and copyrights and stuff. Well, this is similar, right? You don't really have a grace period. And here's one other thing that you need to do. Make sure that the contact information you sign up, make sure the contact information you sign when you registered the domain and your hosting is up to date. Make sure your payment information is up to date. Make sure that you go in and check it, because even if you don't get an email reminder, it is still your responsibility. It's not your designer's responsibility. It's not the registrar's responsibility. It's your responsibility. So please, make sure that you, at the very least, renew your domain. Okay? And when it comes to hosting, I gotta stop doing this type of stuff on camera, right? But when it comes to your hosting, you gotta make sure that you renew it, because once your grace period is over, poof, it goes bye-bye. And a lot of times when that happens, you probably won't have a backup of your site, and you're gonna have to pay some way, somehow, someone to restore it, okay? Now, I just want that to be a reminder to you. Go find out when your domain renews, when your hosting renews. If you have an SSL certificate, make sure you know when that renews, okay? Because it's your responsibility whether or not you get notification, okay? Do that now. Put it in your calendar, set reminders, 90 days, 60 days, 45 days, 30 days, 15 days, 10 days, 5 days, 3 days, day of. All of those. Like, be ridiculous with it. All right? Anywho, this is Auntie Rick with a Ricky Quickie.